So one of the most serious errors that we see happening over and over with tech spending is the failure to align business objectives with the technology investment. Usually business objectives are set by one part of the organization and the tech direction is set by a different, disconnected part of the same organization. This results in suboptimal use of tech spending. What ends up happening is that the drivers for the tech investment tend to set requirements in silos without a detailed understanding of where the business is heading or the longer-term priorities of the business. A lot of times, business users have not been consulted when making these tech investments. And I think that is an unfortunate wastage of the technology dollar, which results in inefficiencies as well as a lower perceived value of technology. In terms of how to attack this pervasive problem, we've seen a few things that allow the tech dollar to go further. One, break down the silos within the organization. Both the business and the tech sides of companies need to come closer and align. So better empathy and better communication between these two sides. Second, don't do the entire thing at once. Technology solutions are most successful when they break down the problem into smaller pieces and solve those smaller problems in the right priority order. Third, never lose sight of the end user of the technology. This could be a consumer in a B2C play or an employee in a B2B play. Usability is key. Software should be built to guide users through their use cases. Don't forget support last. There should also be in place a sort of a responsive support system. And there are ways to architect the solution to make troubleshooting whenever it's needed fast and easy. One of the critical approaches that VentureDive has when working with businesses is to make sure that we as a technology vendor are very comfortable and very clear about the business objectives. Right from the very initial contact, everyone in the chain of communication, from the sales function to the solution proposal team to the actual project delivery team, everyone at VentureDive strives to understand the real world problem we are trying to solve and to understand the people. And that is important, the people whose lives will be improved because of the solution we are building. Once the project is actually kicked off, everyone on the project team, developers, QAs, business analysts, architects, project managers, and this is part of our culture, everyone is driven by what the end goal is. The why is always front and center. Once we know the problems that we are trying to solve, we take pride in going above and beyond what our sort of basic mandate is as a technology vendor, and offer technology as a solution to problems that exist today as well as problems that might exist in the future. That is critical to how we approach our customers and their business needs, while at the same time making sure that the tech spending that they've entrusted us with remains crisply optimized.